How's it going everybody, this is Imran. Today I'm going to show you how to lower your GEICO insurance rates. A while ago they raised my insurance rate about 12% and I didn't do anything. I didn't get a ticket or anything, they just raised it. I called them up and they gave me some sort of excuse for California somehow increased the rates for something I didn't really understand what they were saying, but when they say, "Oh yeah, it's law," you kind of go, "Oh yeah, okay," and let it pass. Later on I went online to try to do some adjustments to see if I can get a lower rate somehow. Maybe get a quote from a different place. I did a little bit of mucking around on their website, and then soon after, maybe about couple weeks later, they sent me a letter giving me lower rates, and I did not change any of the policy line items. I didn't change the coverage, I didn't do anything. They initially increase it 12%, and after I did the mucking around they lowered it by 15%, so I was like, hey cool. So here's a trick: even if you don't have your insurance rate increase, just go online and do a little bit of mucking around on their website, change your deductibles, do a little bit here and there, and then log out. You don't give it a good 10 minutes of messing around with their buttons and stuff. What I think is that their little computers on the background, since that you're actually changing some stuff around and actually looking at the insurance, doing price comparisons, they realize that you're actually looking at the price. You're aware that they're increasing their prices, and then so they kind of want to lower it to retain you as a customer. This type of really annoying price increases all over the place, kind of like in your phone bill, your cell phone bill. A lot of times they try to sneak these things in on you. You see your bill come up a little bit at a time. It's kind of like slowly boiling a lobster type of thing. You know, they increase it a little bit, you kind of don't feel the pain. It's only $1 or $1 here, all $2 here another month, and then eventually your insurance premium may be doubled or something and you didn't really notice. Same thing happens on cell phone bills, and so insurance bill, they do the same trick. So you really got to watch out your insurance rate and see if they kind of creep up on you. Another interesting that I discovered, which I haven't yet applied, is if you have a brokerage account, you can actually buy Berkshire Hathaway stocks. Berkshire Hathaway actually owns 100% of GEICO, so if you go to your brokerage account, buy a min 1 share, you can then call them up and say, "Hey, I am a Berkshire affiliate and I want a discount because you're affiliated with the company, because if you buy a share you're actually a partial owner of GEICO, so therefore that doing that will actually get you another 8% discount." So assuming the fiddling thing work with the website, you get 15% plus another 8%. That's a really 23% off right there for you. If your insurance is about $400 every 6 months, that's already about $100 off right there. So actually on this channel I realized that I've been giving away other people's money to you guys, which is great, because I certainly can't give you guys money, every single person that watches this video, but I can give away other people's money, which is kind of like, you know, the discounts and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.